Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. And then today I will to clear my segment is a clear segment for the midterm test. The subject is English for tourism, and then I will reviewing about food. And then the food is from Ambu Kembang village. This is the cultural foods in Ambu Kembang. The food is pinang tatal. And then let's go. Pindang Tatal. The first, Pindang Tatal, at first glance, it looks very similar to rawon, a dark beef soup from East Java. Both dishes have black bark and use kluwak, a unique local nut that gives a deep color and bold flavor. But Pindang Tatal is different in many ways. In Pindang Tatal, the beef used is called tetelan, small cut of meat, fat, and sometimes soft bone, often taken from the ribs. The soup is usually lighter and more watery than rawon, and it has a slightly tinier tasty. Sliced green onions and added on top, giving extra aroma and freshness. Another key difference, Pindang Tatal is always served with colorful red and yellow crackers, cooked using hot sand, not oil. The name in Java is kropo usak. This special method keeps the crackers dry and crunchy without making the soup oily. The dish comes from Ambu Kembang village in Pekalongan, Central Java. It began when local people wanted to use kluwak that grows in their area. At first, they tried mixing it with tofu and tempe, but it didn't taste good. When they tried beef, the result was delicious, especially when the meat was cut into small pieces or ditetel-tetel in Javanese. Ditetel-tetel, it means small cuts. That's how the dish got its name Pindang Tatal. Compared to rawon, which usually has a heavier broth and uses bigger chunks of meat, Pindang Tatal feels simpler, more home-style, and uniquely Pekalongan. More than just food, Pindang Tatal is a reflection of tradition, creativity, and the strong connection between culture and local ingredients. It's a dish with a story, a warm bowl of history and flavor. And then it is ingredients from the Pindang Tatal. The main ingredients is beef cuts with fat and bone, called tetelan in Indonesian, often from ribs or near the bone. And then water enough to boil the beef. And the next is ground spices, shallots, garlic cloves, candle nuts, coriander seeds, black pepper, salt, and sugar. And the next is key seasoning, kluwak nuts, and then bay leaves, galangal, and lemongrass, spring onions, and then beef stock powder or flavor enhancer. And then is the side dishes or complements in the Pindang Tatal. It is a red and yellow or white crackers. It is traditional cooked using hot sand but not oil. This is kropo usak in this Javanese. Then steamed white rice. This is the ingredients of the Pindang Tatal.